How to download voice messages on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download voice messages on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, once you have opened the app, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner, and after that, you'll be prompted to the settings section. From here, you simply need to scroll down and tap on the option label your activity. And now, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on the option label download your information. Now, from here, you simply need to tap on the option labeled download or transfer information. And after that, choose the accounts and profile to select the data you want to download from. And now you can decide whether you want a full copy of your information. And once you have made your selection, simply click on download to device and tap on create files. And after doing that, the files will be submitted for the request approval to download it. And you just have to wait for some time, and after that the Instagram will send you an email with the download link once your data is ready. And that's it. That's how you can download voice messages on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.